the power radiated by a black body is P, and it radiates maximum energy at wavelength lambda naught. If the temperature of the black body is now changed so that it radiates maximum energy at wavelength 3 by 4 lambda naught, the power radiated by it becomes Np. The value of N is, so we know that lambda naught corresponds to P, and also that E is equals to Hc by lambda. 1 by lambda is directly proportional to T, and T raised to the power 4 is directly proportional to P. So from this we get 1 by lambda to power 4 directly proportional to P by the formula P by NP. If we take the ratio is equals to 3 by 4 lambda naught divided by lambda naught to the power 4. From here n comes out to be 256 by 81, which is the second option. Yes, second option is the right option.